So we want to find the product of these two rational expressions. To do that, we're just going to multiply straight across. And we need to factor each piece as we do this. So when we multiply straight across and factor the pieces that can be factored, for the first fraction, actually, let's make one big fraction for everything. For the first piece, we keep the x minus 2 times, but this right here can be factored. So I'm going to factor that real quick. I'm going to change the way it looks to make it so I can maybe cross some stuff out. And hopefully you can see a GCF there. Hopefully you can see a GCF of 3. And when you pull out a 3, you're left with x plus 5. So this is 3 times x plus 5 equals that. On the bottom, we have these two pieces. So the first piece is still just x plus 5 times. The bottom is a difference of squares. Hopefully you can tell these are two square numbers. It's a shortcut. There's a shortcut to doing these types. Hopefully you can remember these shortcuts and see that when you factor an x squared minus 4, hopefully you see, that should be an x, sorry. That should be an x. Hopefully you can see that this, when factored, is going to be x plus 2 and x minus 2. So again, x squared and 2 squared. We got that factored. Now we can divide out fractions of things that are same top and bottom. So this and this disappear. This and this divide out. And on top, we are left with a 3. On bottom, we are left with an x plus 2. And that cannot be simplified anymore. This is equivalent to this. When you take the product of these two, this expression is its simplified version of its product.